Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which statement about net income and cash flow is correct? So we're looking for a statement that's correct as to both net income and cash flow. A, net income equal to operating cash flow. Well, if that's the case, why do we have two terms? Not at all. Net income is not the same as OCF, so that's out. If they are, why would we name them two different things? Net income is usually greater than cash flow. Not at all. It could be greater, lower, seldom equal. Never equal if you're using accrual, because if you're using accrual, by definition, they should not equal to each other. So usually not greater, not lower. It depends. So B is we cannot make that statement. Net income and cash flow may differ because of accrual accounting. This is a complete 100% true statement. Net income and cash flow differ because we use accrual accounting for net income and we use cash accounting for cash flow. That's why they differ. But let's make sure C is not the correct answer. Cash flow exclude depreciation. No, cash flow will add back depreciation. We don't exclude depreciation. Depreciation is a non-cash expense. It gets factored into the formula. The answer is C. Now, if you're using Farhat lectures, you could use our AI to help explain this topic, help explain the correct and incorrect answer, or create a similar MCQ about this topic. What should you do now? Whether you are an accounting student, CMA, CPA, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, multiple choice, AI CPA questions, CMA questions, multiple choice for your exams, exercises, AI tools, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.